G'day, this is Simon from Tent World at Townsville. Today I'm going to show you the Road Chef Big Bertha. So this is a 12-volt oven. This model from Road Chef is 13 litres in capacity, so much bigger than the original. We got two big trays in there, nice and wide. Comes with a big steel tray as well. These guys run on Anderson plug only. There's a lot of power draw in these, so they need to run through that. And saying that, we're talking about 20 amps with both burners running. So you have a top burner, you have a bottom burner. With both switched on, you're going to draw about 20 amps. While your vehicle's running, your boat, whatever, you're probably not going to have any drama with power when it comes to that. Just needs to be a consideration if you're running off your solar panels or something like that. Alrighty, so our dials down here, as you'll see on the, as we zoom in, so we've got a timer. So up to 120 minutes. We can select which burners we want. We can have top or bottom or both. And then we've got the temperature, which is up to 180 degrees. Another big feature that this one has over some of the other brands is that the door is double insulated. It's fully insulated, so it's much more efficient, so you're not losing any heat through the front of it. As you'll see here, we've got a really strong latch, so this is great for your four-wheel driving if you're traveling over corrugated roads or in the boat, obviously going through waves and swell and whatnot. A couple of good uses for a 12-volt oven. The thing about this is while you're driving, you can be cooking your food. So say you stop in a four-wheel drive trip, you're on your way out to wherever and you know you're going to be rocking up right on dark. A couple of hours before you get to your rest stop, pull over, get this thing running, get your dinner cooking for that night. So when you rock up, dinner's cooked. So you're setting up your camp, you don't have to cook dinner. You open your 12-volt oven and dinner's ready to go. So that's a great use for it. A lot of truck drivers use these. Saves a truck driver a lot of money from stopping at truck stops and whatnot. A couple of hours before they're due for their break, they'll put the 12-volt oven on, and then dinner's ready when they stop, so they don't have to waste any time cooking or expense in buying takeaway. Also for boaties, you'll find the same thing. You're on your way out to the reef, stick a frozen pie in there on the way. Hour later, when you get to your fishing spot, you've got breakfast or lunch ready to go. If you get real keen, it's easy enough to throw a full roast pork in this bottom tray and cook that up. You'll be able to feed a whole family with the volume in this. So if you had a 4-hour trip on your way to camp, throw this in before you leave, have it running while you're driving, and when you rock up to camp, it's ready to go. Okay, so there we have it. This is the Road Chef Big Bertha 12-volt oven. Available in all of the Tent World stores, or if you've seen enough, click on the link and have one delivered to your door.